We've got a little detail where the plates aren't in line with each other. So put a bit of 4x1 on top of the 4x2 to get the level near enough the same. Run a string line from this old plate to the end here to keep this one parallel to the existing. What it means is that the height above plate 92 there on this section because the plate stepped in 132 here. But another thing is that this new plate is level, whereas the old, it raises up from that old rafter here to this point here. So actually we're going to have to run a string line from this to that existing rafter, and from this point where they break, each of these will have to be a different height above plate.